Good day, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. By the way, I'm Miss Kat and I will be your teacher for this lesson. So, before we begin, I encourage you to prepare yourself and your learning materials such as pen, notebook, and of course, don't forget your learning modules. So, for today's discussion is all about recognizing patterns in natures and configurations in the world part 1. So there is also part 2 for our lesson 1 and i-discuss po siya ni Ma'am Keisha. Now let's proceed in our objectives. So at the end of our discussion, you will be able to explain the importance of mathematics in the modern world through various disciplines from science and technology to business and other real life application. Now, may tanong ako. So my question is, can you imagine a world without mathematics? Or ano kayang mangyayari sa mundo or sa atin without math? So what would life be like? So what if there's no numbers, there's no time and dates, no money, no buildings, and no gadgets? Do you think would life still be possible? Yes or no? And why or why not? Now, let's tackle why is mathematics is important o bakit nga ba kailangan natin pag-aralan ang matematika or bakit mahalaga ang mathematics sa araw-araw nating pamumuhay. So, math help us first solve problems. Second, think logically. And also, math help us to make smart decision and understand the world around us. Now, let's see where we can use mathematics. So we use mathematics in our daily life, for example, in cooking. Okay? Sa paanong paraan? In measuring the ingredients. We can also use math in sports. Okay, in scoring. And also, we use math in our finances to manage our money and savings. So, marami pong gamit ang mathematics sa pang-araw-araw nating pamumuhay and even in our career. Now, can you think or share of another place where we use mathematics? Okay, thank you everyone. Now let's check for your understanding. So in your module, there is an activity that in your lesson 1, which is the letter C, which is check for your understanding. And ito po yung nilalaman ng inyong module. So babasahin ko. So sabi sa una is list down 3 uses of mathematics in a global scale. Next, list down 2 mathematical concepts you use in your daily life. And lastly, list down 1 use of mathematics you believe is most important to you. Okay, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating video presentation. Thank you everyone for watching and participating. Don't forget also to watch the part 2 of our lesson 1. Thank you and happy learning.